Summer was coming round and while most people focused on partying, meeting people, making experiences, I had one goal in mind: finally building my dream setup. I got to work as soon as possible, signing away my soul to the warehouse overlords and preparing for long nights of box stacking. There were nights I wanted to quit, many nights. Okay, to be honest, by the second day I was ready to hand in my high vis, but I hung in there. Then, after 2.5 long months of work, I'd finally racked up enough to complete my mission and pay for rent too, I guess. I'm gonna give a quick rundown on some of the parts of my PC. For the CPU, I got 12400F. I wanted to get a 12400, but I thought, what's the point since I already have a GPU, so it's not going to make too much of a difference. But then I realized the 12400 performs significantly better when it comes to editing and productivity tasks, so I kind of sold there.
You and I will always be back then, singing will happen, happening happened, will happen,
I'll be like a kid.
will happen again and again, 'cause you and I will.
It's like I can't think of the words.
Then for my GPU, I got an RTX 3060. I got the Elite card, and at least from what I've seen, there isn't really much of a difference, if any, between the people who actually make the cards, and it's been doing really well. So. Then for my case, I got the NZXT H510. I'm not reading this whole thing, but yeah, I'm not too sure which one this is. It's either the Flow or the Elite, but I couldn't tell you.
Let me tune into your spiritual channel. My sleeping beauty, all alone in her castle. You're golden, glowing through shadows. Cupid got his bow and his arrow. When I throw in the towel, I'm losing the battle.
Relax yourself, girl.
For my motherboard, I got the Gigabyte B6060 DS3H DDR4. For my RAM, I wanted to be a little bit flashy, so I got the Corsair Vengance RGB Pros. And I got 2 8GB because, yeah, the way my bank account was looking at the time, I couldn't afford only 2GB, but I will get those some point very soon. Same with the next thing, I only got 1TB Samsung 980 because 2TB was a little crazy. But either I could just replace it with a 2TB or just use external drives.
zoom?
See the lens?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, I done it. Oh, I feel like a professional, bro. Oh, nice. Oh, you got one. Bro, shoot someone, bro.
Try it, bro. I don't know.
You guys.